When you think of a grey suit, does boring come to mind? A grey suit might seem dull, old-fashioned, or just too tricky to style. But I'm here to change your mind. A grey suit is anything but boring. In fact, there are so many variations and colors to choose from. It's a perfect choice for anyone who wants to look stylish in a suit beyond just business settings. I'll be styling 3 different grey suits: light grey, mid grey and charcoal, each in both formal and casual ways to showcase their full potential. We'll talk about versatility, seasonality and formality, and by the end I'll help you decide which grey suit you should get first if you haven't one yet. First up, one of my absolute favorites. We have a light grey suit in a tropical wool that is very lightweight and breathable, perfect for warmer days. It has thin stripes in grey and blue, almost unnoticeable if you look from afar. Other great alternatives: high twist for even more breathability, or linen wool blend for relaxed but refined look. Lighter suits naturally feel more playful, but here I'm going for a formal approach. Pairing it with a navy pattern tie adds contrast without being too bold. And of course, a pocket square injects a little personality. Start casually to keep that effortless summer vibe. This look is perfect for daytime events where you want to be sharp yet relaxed. If you're feeling playful, swapping the tie for a more colorful one is a great way to bring out your personality. Now let's tone things down. I'm styling this grey suit with a blue linen shirt, no tie. Simple, easygoing, yet still sharp. A navy polo would work just as well for a relaxed but put together look. Yes, it's still a suit, and yes, it's on the formal side. But this is how you make suits work in a modern, casual way. Suits aren't just for the office. If you like a clean, minimal look, you can skip the pocket square. But if you enjoy playing with contrast like I do, adding a subtle one can bring some extra personality to your outfit. Next up, the mid-grey suit, the ultimate year-round go-anywhere suit. It's perfect for business settings, formal occasions and pretty much anything that requires a suit. This suit is made from a pick and pick or sharkskin fabric, which gives it a subtle texture when you look closely. That's what I love about grey suits. They have more depth than you would think. For a formal approach, instead of a plain white shirt and navy tie, I've chosen a striped shirt with a navy pattern tie. Since grey is neutral, it allows blue tones to pop beautifully. Grey and blue are a winning combination for a reason. They just work. Compared to a navy suit, a grey suit has an unfair reputation for making you look older. I would totally disagree. If you know how to style a grey suit, you can look stunning. Now let's dress it down. I'm swapping the shirt and tie for a black roll neck sweater. A classic, elegant look, especially in colder months. Mixing knitwear with tailoring is a great way to make suits feel fresh and modern. This outfit keeps things refined, approachable and stylish without feeling it too formal. If you like monochromatic looks, this is the one for you. Last but not least, the charcoal grey suit, the most formal of the 3. This one has a peak lapel and is made of a wool gabardine fabric. Its texture makes it more interesting and wearable as a separate jacket. For the most formal styling, I've gone with a crisp white shirt, a dark contrasting tie and a double-breasted waistcoat. The double-breasted waistcoat adds that extra formality. When would you wear this? Evening events, special occasions or important business settings. Now let's break up the suit. I'm wearing the charcoal jacket as an odd jacket, paired with taupe high twist wool trousers. This works because the jacket has enough texture to stand on its own. Instead of taupe, you could go for grey flannel trousers. This is the most formal of my casual outfits, as I kept the tie for a polished look. You could easily wear this as a business casual uniform, or as an alternative to the classic navy blazer if you want something a little different. What do you think? Do you prefer a grey suit for formal or casual styling? Now, the important question. If you don't own a grey suit yet, which one should you get first? My personal favorite, the light grey suit. It allows me to be more playful. It's especially great for warmer climates and it's easy to dress down for a more casual look if that's your style. But if I had to recommend just one for versatility and practicality, it would be the mid-grey suit. It's the most adaptable, perfect for almost any occasion, whether formal or casual.